Hey guys, it's Matt with Everyday Success, my new YouTube channel. Basically, I'm just going to go over stocks and crypto and trades every day, see what's out there, see what's looking good, what stocks are good to get into. But I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing I say is a suggestion for you to buy, sell, or trade stock or crypto. This is simply my opinion. So let's get into it. The Nasdaq's up 167 points right now. The Nasdaq seems to have reached its bottom. It bounced off of its bottom support line as far as my technical analysis. Right now it's 15,110. I think it's easily going to go to 16,800, maybe over 17,000 in the next 3-4 months. I think mid-March, late March, it's going to do pretty well till then, until the Fed increases interest rates. I think once that starts happening, you'll see a little pullback. Then we'll keep, gaining momentum. Generally speaking, I think we're going to go into a recession at some point this year, probably 3 or 4 months. We're going to have a little pullback, and then at some point the bond yields are going to invert, and 6 months or so after that we'll probably be in a recession. But pretty much right up until the point of the recession, our market's going to go higher. That's how it always goes. You hear everybody on CNBC talk about it's the end of the world, Chicken Little, the sky's falling, but really right up until the point it falls off the map and we go into a horrible recession, the market pretty much goes up. We'll have some pullbacks to scare people, but you keep buying those dips and I think you'll make money all the way up. Make sure you join our Facebook group, facebook.com/group/Epic Trading FLA. That's our stock trading group. I'm going to post a lot of my trades on there. I'm up about $1,600 a day. Hopefully I end the day up about $2,000. For a day that's slowly getting back into, building back up, because the Nasdaq's been down. I think 1,500, $2,000, that's a pretty good place to stay. I think it's going to be really easy to make money after today. The market's going to start being up more. Hopefully Powell stays off TV and quits saying crazy stuff, and I think the markets that go up. Some stocks to look at. Like I said, this is just my opinion. I'm not suggesting you buy these stocks or trade them. But right now I added some options in Oracle, SoFi, Pfizer, Citibank, and I bought a bunch of shares at Smile Direct Club. Oracle's got its earnings coming up in mid-March. So I think Oracle's going to do good. I think they'll probably hit earnings. They usually never miss earnings. So I think their stock's going to shoot up. I have options there. SoFi looks good. It looks like it's hit the bottom, and I think it's going to peak up a lot. Pfizer's got a lot of stuff going on with the government. They have a vaccine pill. I think they're going to do really well. Citibank, I think pretty much all banks and all financial stuff's going to be doing good probably 6 months or so from now. Just pretty much 6 months of growing for banks. So I think Citibank was kind of on its lower end compared to other things like Bank of America and stuff like that. So I think Citibank's going to be a good investment. I got in that a few days ago. I think it's going to, really show some good earnings. Smile Direct Club's the sketchier, more of a, take a risk, put some money out there. It's down $2.13 today. I bought it right around $2. I think it might go down to $1.50. Maybe it'll stay up from here. Who knows? But let's say, it even goes down to $1. I bought 500 shares. I'm in it a little over $1,000. If it goes down $500 at the worst, but on the high end, it could be $13, $15, $17 stock this year, or even in the next 2 years. I think it's a solid investment. Very low risk, high reward. So I figured why not jump in it. That's kind of my Hail Mary, just kind of speculate on a stock and see where it goes. But I think all those other stocks are solid. I'm going to be going through more of my stock picks this week. I do a lot of options. I have like 34 options contracts open right now. I had 40 something this morning, but I got rid of Walmart. Walmart seems to hit a high and then it's kind of sideways trading. So I want to get out before it goes down. I think I profited maybe like $7,000 off of that. So join the Facebook group. I'll give it to you one more time. Facebook.com/group/Epic Trading FLA. Get with us. Check out our picks before we make them. Get a good group together of guys that want to get together, talk about stocks, and really enjoy it, and can give tips and stock trades and go over technical analysis there. and I'll try to post every day and really just talk about the stock market and see where we're going. I know it's a real sketchy time. Everybody's doing the Chicken Little thing on TV right now. You see NBC, Bloomberg, everybody's talking about, the market dips a little bit. There's some pullback. It's in the end of the world. They want you to trade all your stocks. But I really do think the stock market's going to be up all the way through until we go through a recession. I think this is going to be a good market to trade in right now. You just got to get in the right place. The Dow Jones might drop a little for a bit, but I think NASDAQ's going to be up a lot. Hopefully it pulls up the Dow Jones stocks and it doesn't keep dropping. But we're going to go over more technical analysis later this week, and I'll show you some charts and tell you what I think. Until then, like, subscribe, and keep a lookout for future videos.